Here's the property I bought with $13,000 2 months ago. I'm going to break down the numbers and show you the location to show you why I bought it so you can learn how an investor thinks. This property is in Little Rock, Arkansas. I thought this property was a good area because my agent told me that there's a lot of shops and breweries around, as you can see here. So the growth can't go that way because the river's there. So the growth's got to come down. Also, if you go a little bit to the right, there's the airport right there. Perfect for transportation. And downtown Little Rock right over here. Now, the crime in that area is not the best. I'm not going to lie. I would rate it like a C-. Property's over here in a low crime area, but the areas over here are way worse. But I knew that the growth had to come this way so these areas would get better. And while I was there, I spoke to the neighbor, and she said all of the neighbors are really nice. She's been living there for 57 years. She said she would rather live nowhere else. She also told me that there's only been one bad thing that's happened her entire time there. Then while we were driving around, there was 3 new construction buildings that were happening that had shops and restaurants. To me, that was a good sign that this was an area that was going to grow. Okay, so here are the projected returns. I bought it for $56,000 and my down payment was about $13,000. I got a hard money loan and they covered a $40,000 rehab. Right now, a conservative estimate for this property renting out about $13.50. It's a duplex. When you add a $469 for property taxes, $879 for home insurance, and then 5% for vacancy, capex, and repairs, and 8% for my property manager, property will cash flow about $284 per month. But wait, that's not the best part. Property appraised for $170,000. So I'm going to go to the bank and get a new loan on the property. I'm going to pay off the hard money loan, all the money for the rehab, and I'm going to come away with $18,000 on top of that, which then I will use to buy and fix up another house. In my opinion, the area has a great chance of growing. It also has decent cash flow, and I'll be making a good return right off the bat. If you like transparent videos like this where I show you the numbers and everything that's in my thought process, click the follow button because I teach you how to buy your first investment property step by step.